Hi friends, in this video I will explain you how we can apply one-way ANOVA in SPSS. So before understanding the processing of applying one-way ANOVA in SPSS, firstly I'll explain you when we can apply one-way ANOVA. So when we have two variables, one is dependent and one is independent variable, then we can apply one-way ANOVA. But there should be more than two categories of independent variable to apply one-way ANOVA. So let's understand this thing with the help of a hypothesis. So suppose my hypothesis is null hypothesis. There is no significant difference among the marks of students on the basis of social status. Or I can make this hypothesis as marks are same for students across the social status. Alternatively, I can say there is a significant difference among the marks of students on the basis of social status. Or I can say marks are not same for students across social status. Symbolically, I can say the null hypothesis can be mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3. As I'll show you the data set in that there are three groups of social status. So that's why I have made null hypothesis as mu1 equals to mu2 equals to mu3. That is indicating us that there is no significant difference among the mean marks of the three groups which are belonging to various social status. So here we need to understand what is our dependent variable and what is our independent variable. Our independent variable is social status, which I have measured on ordinal scale with three categories. And dependent variable is marks, which I have calculated, which I have measured on continuous scale. So this way, these two variables we have and both are indicating according to one-way ANOVA, the dependent variable should be measured on either interval scale or on continuous scale or on ratio scale. So this way, this is the first thing. Second one is your independent variable should be a categorical variable. That is, it can be a nominal scale variable or a ordinal scale variable. So now we will understand how we can apply one-way ANOVA in SPSS. So we are moving towards the SPSS window now. So here we have one data set. In that we have two variables according to our hypothesis, that is the marks and the social status. So firstly we will check their measurement, what I have defined here. So we are going to the variable view. In variable view, you can see here when I am talking about marks, marks is a scale variable and the social status is a ordinal variable. And what are the three categories of social status variable? We can check here. There are three categories: low, medium and high, and these are coded as 1, 2, 3 respectively. So now we will go for the applying of the one-way ANOVA. So we have to go to the analyze menu. Then we need to go to the compare means, and here we need to select the one-way ANOVA. Now here one dialog box will appear. We need to transfer the dependent and independent variable in the dependent list and the factor box. So our dependent variable is marks, which I am shifting with the help of this arrow to the dependent list, and my independent variable is social status, which I am selecting and transferring it to the factor box with the help of this arrow. As we are concerned here about the one-way ANOVA, so we have to only go to the options menu, and then we need to select here the descriptives and the homogeneity of variance test, and then we need to click on the continue. Afterwards, just click on OK to get the output. Once you will press on OK, you will get this output in the output view in the output window of the SPSS. So the first table is the descriptives table. This will indicate you the mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum value across these three categories of your independent variable. Next table is the test of homogeneity of variance table, which is very important because as per the one of the assumptions, we need to check the homogeneity of variance across the categories of the independent variable. So here its significant value is greater than 0.05, which shows that there is a homogeneity of variance exists between the categories of the independent variable. So that means this assumption of the ANOVA, one-way ANOVA is passed. Now we will interpret the last and the main table, that is the ANOVA table. In this table we have to mainly concern for the significant value, which is 0.628, which is greater than 0.05. That means we will not reject the null hypothesis because this significant value is greater than 0.05. 0.05 is the level of significance. So that way we can conclude that there is no significant difference in the marks of the students across social status. So this way we can conclude there is no significant difference among the marks of students on the basis of social status. So friends, this way I have explained you how we can apply one-way ANOVA in SPSS. I hope this video will help you out to understand the one-way ANOVA and its interpretation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain. Also like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. Happy learning to all.